So I have done these pouches I think more than a year ago. It's like a key pouch. I didn't close them though. I didn't use anything to close them yet. And I thought, why not make it in a tutorial so you can see how I made it. It's very easy. It's like when you do any single crochet phone pouch or a tablet sleeve. But I'm gonna show you the steps and how I made these cute pouches. So I'm going to use some cotton yarn and 4mm crochet hook. I will start with a magic circle and I will chain 15. Okay, you can add more chains or you can make less chains depending on how big you want your pouch to be. I'm gonna make one single crochet in the second chain from the hook and another single crochet in the same chain. I'm gonna make one single crochet in every chain till the end. Here in the last chain, I'm gonna make 2 single crochet. So 1 and 2. Okay. So this is my single crochet row. I'm gonna turn the opposite side now and making sure we hide the thread along. I'm gonna add 1 single crochet in my last single crochet, so total 3 single crochet in this last chain. Okay, and I'm gonna do again 1 single crochet in every chain till the end. In the last one I'll add 1, so 1 each. 1, okay, here where I did initially 2 single crochet, I'm gonna add 1 more single crochet. Okay, so here I'm not gonna close the row. What I'm gonna do is start working on top of the previous single crochet. So what I'm gonna do, 1 single crochet on top, And I'll continue working one single crochet in every stitch without closing in each row. So one single crochet for the next 15 rows. You can put a stitch marker if you wish, but I don't usually use one. I will just count the rows. And this is what you need to do till row 15. During your work, you might find that the pouch is flat, but don't worry, as you go with the rows, it'll close and look like a pouch, so it's normal. So it's as simple as this: single crochet around till you reach row 15. And then I'll come back and show you what to do next for the key ring. So this is what I was talking about when I said it will look flat initially. Like now, this is how it is. The two corners are like in an angle and the rest of the work is flat. This is 3 rows already worked, but once you get to more rows, it will take the shape of the pouch. Just to show you this. So this is how the pouch looks like. It's a small one. As I said, you can make it smaller or bigger, taller or shorter. It's up to you. Now I'm gonna show you the next step where you're gonna attach the key holder or key chain. So I'm gonna chain 6. And then I'm gonna slip stitch in the same stitch. So this is where you're gonna attach it, and now I'm gonna go around with a slip stitch throughout to close my work. So slip stitch in the first stitch and in the next and in every stitch till you come back. That will gives it a neat look. And then you can add whether a zipper or any closure you want. It's up to you. And the last stitch, and here we'll fasten off. And we'll go to the final step. So now I'm gonna attach my key rings, and it's very simple, just put it inside. Okay. Right, that's it. Okay. And here attach this one as well. Very easy. Just make it like this and then put your keys and and close. as simple as this, and put your keys inside. Very easy. And you can get these if you have in your country a Daiso shop, the Japanese store, then you can buy it from there. Otherwise, online, Amazon has plenty and all types of them. So this is our tutorial for today. I hope you like it and you find it easy. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, and you'll find the written pattern also in the description box. By the way, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, as I started putting more updates of like almost daily basis on what I do, so you can see what I'm planning for YouTube tutorials. Bye bye.